everyone, and welcome to my laundry room. I feel like I've been avoiding doing a declutter and reorganization of this room for so long. A, because there have been other priorities, i.e. like the master bedroom or like my makeup studio or things like that where just has more foot traffic. And B, this room is just super overwhelming, and so I would just kind of like close the door here and then pretend it wasn't there. So now I'm forcing myself. I'm gonna film it and I'm going to declutter it. And this room isn't just a laundry room, it also houses like all of our medical supplies and cleaning supplies, extra sheets, just like all of these other things that sometimes people put in bathrooms, but I have taken up that space with makeup. So we were finally tackling this room. You can see what it looks like before. You can probably hear the dryer in the background. I do try and keep up on laundry. I mean, like I'll do it all at once, like 5 loads in a row, but I will keep up with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos every Saturday. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what declutter you guys want to see next. Check out the playlist for all of my declutter videos. I've done pantry, master bathroom, I've done kids toys, like a whole bunch of different ones, so check those out if you are interested. And without further ado, let's get into this. And I think what I'm going to do to start is just kind of like get stuff out. Like I need to get it out of here. Like all this stuff down here that's on the counter space and everything, I just need to take it out of the room and then start from cupboard to cupboard. That's the way that I find is the most useful way of decluttering, for me at least, is just sort of clearing out the space, getting it down to like one cupboard at a time, and then adding things back as it makes sense. So let's start by getting all this stuff out of here. Okay, now this is a little bit more cleared out. You can hear it, it's echoey. Weird. But I'm gonna start by just cleaning the countertops, because like, I mean, that's obvious. We just need to clean it a little bit. Okay, so let's start with the medicine cabinet here. You can see I made some attempts to organize it and it's kind of fallen apart a little bit. So I'm just going to, I think, take everything out, check and see the expiry dates on everything, and then put it back in buckets that make sense. As you can see, I did attempt, people. But yeah, this is kind of like, there's like a first aid kit up here and some cleaning stuff. I don't know. So yeah, let's get this out and get it organized. So for a lot of expired medications, and I've started to organize them in these buckets. So this one is all like cold stuff and then kid stuff. I have extra sunscreens. I also have some more downstairs, so this may actually end up moving to a bin downstairs since it's summertime. And then now we're on to the big first aid one. How many different ways can I package up Band-Aids, everyone? Okay, now this is all sorted. It is just as I expected, a lot of different sizes of Band-Aids. Also, the lid won't go on this, so I had to tape it. I did this a while ago, but I cut off the top of, I don't even know what this was, but I basically use this to house any of these like smaller pieces and just keep them just from like getting lost within all the Band-Aids. And now this can go up on the shelf. Okay, so this is where we are at. It is looking a little bit more organized. I might put something on here to kind of indicate which bin is which, though it is fairly self-evident for me at least. So we have the cold stuff, kid stuff. This is like stomach issues, whatever. And this is all my contacts. And then up here, travel stuff, extra sunscreens, and then Band-Aids and things like that. So I think now, having seen my recycling and garbage, I'm going to go on to probably here. There's not a ton here. And clean up maybe this one as well. It's in, actually, you know what? That's in pretty good condition. Good for me. Guys, proud moment. Look at this. I cleared out everything in this, and I managed to fit everything that is needed into this cupboard. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to tackle these cupboards down here. This one is just like random stuff. And then I have all of my towels and sheets under here. Very disorganized. Oh my gosh. I have so many sheets in different sizes. Like I don't even know where to start. I feel like maybe I'll take all this is kind of like I'm pretty sure this is my mom's. I'm sorry, Mom. I've probably housed this for the last like 5 years. So I'm gonna take them all and try and like group them by like color? Question mark? I have no idea. I'm gonna start with that. I'm gonna start with by color and see where I end up. Oh my gosh, I had no idea I had so many towels, and I put all the ones that are just like, basically these are old towels. These are old towels that like if something spills, I can grab them quickly. And then the nice ones are at the back, so they don't get taken for that. Like honestly, these towels back here don't get used that much. It's like for when they go to the splash pad or something, but I have white towels for like bath time and stuff in our bathroom, and then gray ones for the kids. So it's just like extra stuff. And then in here, we have our sheets. And I recognize this is wasted space here. I don't know what's gonna go here yet. Maybe it's gonna be a shelf. But like right now, this works for me. So you can see I have a color scheme, if you will. White, light gray, dark gray. Done. Put those away for now. Check that box. Yes. Okay, now that we have all like the chemicals and stuff all up there out of the way, now I want to deal with all this stuff that is like sitting out here in the hall. So I'm going to start bringing this stuff back in here and start putting it where it should go. And I feel like I have a pretty good handle on where everything is going, and everything seems to have a place. So I'm hoping everything will stay in the place that it's supposed to be. But let's start bringing all this other stuff in and see what happens. Okay, so it turns out I have a lot more travel size things than I thought. So I had to make some more room. And so I put the original one that I was in here, and it has like I have a lot of travel size Kleenex things. Like I'm learning a lot about myself today. Everything has a place now, people. Everything has a place. Also, I want to quickly point out that I very quickly filled up this cupboard that I said that I emptied. Like how? I just emptied it. But I feel good about this place now. Like I feel like I know where everything is, I know what I have, and we recycled a bunch of things, donated a bunch of things, and also got rid of things that were expired. And this is what the place looks like now. You guys can see it's nice and organized, and I think it'll stay this way. If any of my other declutters are any indication, it should stay like this. Let me know in the comments down below what declutter I should do next. Don't forget to check out my other declutters. If you've missed them, I will put them on a playlist for you guys so you can check them out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos every Saturday. And that is everything. I hope you guys are having an awesome weekend. I'll see you guys all in my next video. Love you all. Mwah!